All right, so if you want to put these guys in, and you still have the original windows and doors, you can just pick those in your project and delete them, and just delete the splitting element when it asks you to delete them. And then you'll just come into this file and pick the outside. So you want to make sure you pick sort of at the bottom where you get the entire curtain wall, and just copy those to your clipboard, and then come to the other project and go to the modify and paste a line to selected levels and pick level 1. And that guy will, and just click OK, and they should come in correctly. After that, if you want to manipulate them, you can come in, and if you pick the edge, again, the entire system, if you just wanted 2 verticals or 2 horizontals, you could just come in here and, click that down, and it'll give you 2. If you wanted to have uneven ones, let's say you want to remove this top one up here, you can pick the grid line, not the mullion, but the grid line, and you can remove segments from that. So just remove the segments, and that'll give you the a different proportion. If you want to get rid of the doors, you can come in and tab until, or select. If you can just select the door, you might have to hit your tab key, but it's a panel. And so you'll replace that panel with the glazed panel. And then you need to put the mullions back in. So you can pick the mullion and go to add remove segments, and just come in and click on that, and it should put them back in. So I'll pick this one and put the segments back in there. This doesn't have a grid line on the edge, so in order to do that, you have to go to the architecture and mullion command, and make sure you pick the correct mullion. The exterior outside of the mullions is the 1.5 by 2.5 rectangular brown, and then you just come in and pick that, and it'll put it back in. So that's it.